Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this eye makeup look, but I'm not gonna show you the exact look that you see right now, but I'm gonna show you different versions on how you can transform this eye look into a Euphoria inspired look. So we're gonna do like different combinations with those crystals. I hope this way I can give you guys some inspiration because it's really trendy at the moment to do these crystal kind of Euphoria inspired makeup looks. So hopefully this will give you all some inspiration on where to apply your crystals. So we're going to start with look 1, which is actually super simple. It's just like 4 of those tiny crystals right above your winged liner. And I'm just going to turn on some music on the background. You will see all the looks that we're creating. And with every look I'm using this product, which is from SHEIN. It's a eyeliner and like lash glue in one. And basically what I personally like is to use a lash glue because it makes the crystals like really stick nicely on your eyelid. And it's safe for your eyes since you can also use it for your eyelashes. And the crystals that I use, I will link them down in the description bar. But this was the first look. Now we're going to like the second look, which is also like quite like a simple look with those 3 dots on 2 places, which kind of makes it look like you have like a super tiny flower on the inner corner of your eye. Super cute, very simple, but it will definitely make your eye look just kind of like different. It will give it that Euphoria vibe, which I personally really like. Then next we're going to look 3, which is just like a kind of like a rainbow of crystals in your crease, which is my personal favorite. Also, it's not that complicated. You just want to first like apply the lash glue where you want the crystals to be, and then you're just gonna follow that line and apply all the crystals in the rainbow shape. And for the 4th look, it's a little bit more dramatic, but I wanted to do like a crystal eyebrow and also a few of those crystals underneath the eye because I felt like it may be too boring for the eyes, but you can definitely only do the brows or maybe only do the 4 crystals underneath the eyes, which is super cute as well. So I just applied the lash glue kind of like how I would normally apply my brow gel. So first I kept it like this, but I was like, something is missing. So I just decided to apply all the crystals in the brow. I felt like it looked so much better. And then for the 5th look, I'm gonna go in with some crystals. I'm not like specifically applying them in a specific way, but just a few like in the inner corner, more like at the lower area and more at the upper area. And it just gives a really cute effect, especially if you do it on both of your eyes. I think it's also one of my favorites. You don't have to be too precise, just apply a few close to each other, some like a little bit more further away. But yeah, those were all the looks. Let me know what your favorite is, look 1 or look 2, which are more on the simple side. Then we have look number 3, which is with the like rainbow shape. Then we have the more dramatic one with the brow crystals, and then the last one with the crystals in the inner corner. Let me know in the comments what your favorite is, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know how I created that eye look, which I didn't show in this video, I have it already on my YouTube channel. So I will link that link in the description bar in case you want to see how I created that. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!